As everyone has more electronic devices, a worldwide charging dilemma has begun to arise. Why do I have to have so many charging cables? Is it possible to solve all needs with one single cable? 3 years ago, we designed such a cable that fit what we imagined. This is Onyx. The dual-head cord connector can produce a total of 4 combinations, perfectly meeting our daily needs. It was an unprecedented and unique design at the time, and we launched it a crowdfunding campaign. Although Onyx was very immature at first, it still received a lot of sincere support that we would forever remember. We have also received a lot of suggestions for product improvements. Because it was our first crowdfunding, many of your messages were not answered instantly, but we have been checking everyone's feedback, and your creative ideas have inspired us greatly to turn dreams into reality. So today, we're back. STEELIX is our ultimate evolution after Onyx. Between these two products, we have gone through 4 versions of updates. We have been looking into feedback from our users to improve this product. We have upgraded the adapter for stability and make it less likely to fall off. Even when crushed violently, it remains undamaged. This nylon-braided design of the flat wires makes the STEELIX both strong and tangle-free. Velcro straps are installed for quick packing and easy storage. By adding spacer to the spindle, we aim for a smoother feel when changing heads. STEELIX supports both PD and QC fast charging. Type-C to Lightning support up to 24 watts of power, nearly 5 times more than the Apple original cable. Type-C to Type-C supports up to 60 watts of power, much faster than other similar products. Within 10 minutes, you can steal 30% of the power from your friend's phone. We are a very small team that comes from Shenzhen, China, a city with rich industries of manufacturing. We are looking for like-minded people through crowdfunding that are interested in our products. No matter where you come from or who you are, we want to be your friends if we share the same values. We are Tagic. Tag is our magic.